What's up, Pokermaniac TFP? Back to another video, man. Let's get it. $500 start, man. We had to get out of there on Infinite. Got that money out. We're starting over. Don't forget to check out teamforeverpaid.com/casino. Sign up with RakeBit, no KYC, and sign up with
Please
Gamba.
place your bets.
Let's get it, man. Turn this music off. Well, we got nines already. We're gonna stand here. We could probably split 4. Nope. Good. No split.
You win.
That's still profit. Okay, we need that 7. Nope. We're gonna try to get to 1200. Almost doubled. Good thing I didn't. 12-6. Nice pull. Nice
You
bust.
win.
We're gonna do a slight raise here. Nothing crazy. We got the 20, but unfortunately it's a blackjack. The diamond needed to be up at least. Alright, we're going back down. Yo, hit that subscribe button, man. Let's get it. 13 versus the 2. We're gonna stand. If the dealer can bust, you gotta bust. Let him bust. Let the dealer bust.
Win.
Ooh, where's that 7? There it is. Looking a little rough here. It's not time to do anything spectacular. We missed a 20.
You win.
Alright, we'll raise a little bit here and the sides. Oh, we need a jack. 8. There's a jack. Alright, hear me out. Let's see what happens here. Fuck. We're gonna stand it. Alright, we're gonna raise. Alright, I'm just gonna stand the 5. I'm gonna stand the 5. Let's see if we can get the cards mixed up. Alright. I don't recommend that, bro. We did that because we're getting bad cards, bro. We should be getting 20s and stuff. 16 versus a possible bust. Let's get it. Queen. Nope. Alright, we're gonna raise here. There it is. 20. 9. Ooh, that was close. Alright, let's get the blackjack here. Player blackjack right now. Stand. Come on, 3, 4. That's so bad. Oh, we got a perfect pair. We got a stand. Wish it was the Queen of Hearts. Nice.
You win.
Come on, let's get trip jacks. Alright, we're gonna double down. 17, okay. Queen, queen. Nice.
You win.
Alright, we're gonna raise. Come on, that was it. 6 under. 3, 5, 6. Come on, bro, that was it. That was it, bro. Seven of diamonds, 4 of diamonds there.
You win.
Alright, we're gonna split them up. Seven. Oh my gosh. That's 2 high cards, bro. Let's go. Need that.
You win.
Alright. Now we need to get to 1200. Got some queens. Alright, we understand.
You win.
Trip sixes. Come on. I'm missing a six. Missing a couple sixes. We got the flush and the blackjack. Nice.
You win.
See, we had that downswing just now, and now the deck is getting a little better. A little better, not much. Really haven't had any opportunities to really raise, and when we did, it wasn't there yet. Ooh, come on, 9, where you at? Come on, 5. That's good.
You win.
Alright, we're gonna go for it here. Let's get it. Ugh. Come on, bust it. Bust it. No, we're gonna keep the same bet though. Come on, you have to bust it. It's there. We could have raised some more. Keep it one more time. 20. Nope. 12. Come on, hit it. 18. Come on. 4 under. Damn, where's my perfect pair? Alright, we're gonna rebet. Raise the sides. I thought that was clubs. We missed. Come on, 7. No. Alright, 100 on the bet. Come on, we need a side bet. Ugh. Bro, are you kidding me? Jack, spade, any one of them. How did we get back on the other side, bro? I stood a 5 for that reason. Get out. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright. Come on. Where's the 8 there? I have to hit that. Oh my god. Where's the 8 there? Gotta hit it. $21 if I don't hit. $21.
You win.
Bro, you can't push the 20s. Alright guys, we gotta stop here. We're getting rinsed. We have to stop, man. Subscribe to the channel. Check out teamforeverpaid.com/casino. Check out RakeBit. Let's get it, man. $100 referrals. Let's go, man. Watch out for giveaways. Sign up with Gamba and RakeBit, bro. Use my code. The code is on the website. See y'all next video, man.